Explaining every zanpakuto in Bleach, and today we're going to be explaining zangetsu. So zangetsu is a zanpakuto belonging to Ichigo, and it technically has four different transformations shown throughout the series. First of all is the fake shikai, which takes the shape of this long sword, and it has the ability to throw energy beams called Getsuga Tensho, which takes the form of this blue energy in the anime and yellow energy in the manga. Along with that is a bankai called Tensa Zangetsu, which takes the form of this small blade, and the Shihakusho, which represents the total amount of spiritual pressure that Ichigo has, and the lower the spiritual pressure, the lower the clothing gets. So the clothing gets damaged as Ichigo loses spiritual pressure, and it also has the ability of Getsuga Tensho. However, the ability of Getsuga Tensho done by the Tensa Zangetsu is more compressed, which take the form of this black Ryatsu, as the black Ryatsu represents how dense the Ryatsu inside the attack is. However, in the Thousand Year Blood War, we learned that the Bankai and Shikai that Ichigo uses are fake. So we are introduced to Ichigo's true Shikai, which has two blades. The bigger one represents his hollow, aka the true Zangetsu, and the smaller blade represents his Quincy powers, and along with it giving him the ability to throw Getsuga Tensho, he can also use both blades to throw a cross attack called Getsuga Jujisho. Along with his true Shikai, we also have his true Bankai, which take the form of this big sword. It also gives him the ability to throw Getsuga Tensho. However, it is also theorized to have the ability to change fate itself, and in the battle against Yuha, the true Bankai broke, and we saw like Ichigo's fake Shikai. So this is now Ichigo's true Bankai. So yeah, that is Zangetsu explained.